The thing I like about TransUnited is opportunities. They have really a seat for everybody. If you want to run local, you can do that. Regional, you can do that. Nationwide, Canada, we do it all. Superloads, specialized, legal, LTL. There's just a good fit, you know. I can do what I want, when I want, run where I want. I don't have anybody, you know, over me all the time. I like the freedom that represents to me. I can call the office 4 times a day if I want and talk to somebody and they know me by my voice, or I could not talk to somebody for 2 weeks and do it all online. It's just really my decision. They give us the tools, and it's a different company for a lot of people just based on how you want to do things. Part of the benefits package that I get as an owner-operator is we're set up on a fuel card, and it's for most of the big chains, Love's, Flying J, Petro, TA, Pilot, and we get discounts, tremendous discounts, and it really adds up. Every time I fill up, I save over $100, and that is real money at the end of the month. So I like that. We have access to a tire program if we want, or work in the shop at a discounted rate, and they'll do anything they can if you have a problem on the road to help you and find a solution. So I appreciate the network that's in place, and I like the idea that when I call, they know me by my voice.